Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. I have another small Dollar Tree haul, and this time around I actually have no seasonal items. I have to say that my Dollar Tree that I have been going to, I used to go to about 3 or 4 of them, but being that we're out in the country, it's just I haven't been going into the city as much for now. So I've been only going to the one that is closer to me. And I have to say that that one there really does not have a lot of new items coming in. It's funny because I'm actually seeing more garden, like in the garden section, and just regular home decor rather than seasonal items, like newer items. So everything that I have today is just regular decor and a few baby items. Well, actually one, but I did get them in a few different sizes and just different colors and stuff. And also I found it quite funny because I happened to go at the Michael's that was in this town, and I couldn't believe the shelves were practically empty. And I did overhear someone talking to a lady that worked there asking if they would be getting any more winter or Christmas items in. I'll insert some pictures because I've never ever seen Michael's this empty. And she did say that when they did get all of the seasonal items in, they just went super quick. They flew off the shelves. And she said they are expected to get some more things in, but with everything that's going on in the world, she just wasn't sure. She couldn't guarantee that they would be in on time, so she just told the lady to go online and shop from there because you'd have a better chance of getting what you wanted online. So that was really unfortunate. I was just wanted to look at the pillows and the throw blankets and stuff like that, but they had 2 pillows left and they were nice, but they were 2 different pillows in different sizes, and then they had 2 throw blankets left, which they did have buy one get one free, so it would have been good, but again they were different patterns, so there was no success there, and not really at Dollar Tree for seasonal items. But I did pick up a few things at the Dollar Tree that I thought were really cute, and I figured I'd go ahead and share. And then I also included some pictures of some of the different things that I did see this time around that I just didn't end up buying. So I'm gonna just go through everything in front of me here instead of separating as I usually do, because again there's not very many items. So the first thing that I'm going to show you are the pillowcases, and I have been on the lookout for these. I remember seeing someone haul the Mr. and Mrs. pillow, and I haven't been able to find those yet, but there were 3 different ones that I came across this time around. So I just ended up picking up the Grateful, Thankful, and Blessed. I did include some pictures of the other ones that I saw. I can't remember them offhand, but you will see them in the pictures if you care to know what those ones were. So I still will be looking out for the Mr. and Mrs., but I was happy to pick a couple of these up for my bed. Then I came across some onesies, and I'm always excited to find baby items at the Dollar Tree. If some of you have watched my channel for a while, you might have heard me mention that I like to do reborning on the side. I am getting into that. I haven't been doing that as much, just because I'm finishing up some other projects that I had on the go. So once those are done, I really want to jump into that again. And so when I can come across items for reborn dolls, it's always great, because then I can make a really nice box packaging. When I do sell a doll, I can include really fun items. So I came across these onesies. The name on the onesies is Pillow Fights. I've never heard of them before, but I thought they had some cute onesies, and for $1, were they $1.50? They were $1.25. So the first one here says, "Good Vibes, Baby Beach, Bottles and Sunshine," in a 0 to 3 months. This one I thought was cute, the horizontal black and white stripe, 0 to 3 months. And the closures or the snaps they have are these white ones here. But they seem like really nice quality. So this one here in the purple, and it says Bottlesaurus, 0 to 3 months. This one I thought was really pretty, in the 0 to 3 months. They pretty much had oh no, this one is a 3 to 6 month. They had 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, and 6 to 12 months. And this one here in a 3 to 6 months says Legendary Athletic Little Brother. And then in this really nice blue, again in a 0 to 3 months, it's like the first one, just a different color. Good Vibes, Baby Beach, Bottles and Sunshine. So that was a nice find. And then the only other thing I picked up were some decor items. So this one here, I really liked these ones. It almost seems like a mirror, but it's metal with the faux wood frame around it. So I really like these ones. This one says Love Makes a House a Home. This one says Family Makes This House Family makes this a house. Family makes this a house a home. You guys get it? Family makes this a house home. Okay, next one. Being happy never goes out of style. And this is our story, our life, our home. So I thought those were really, really nice, whether you want to make them over or just keep them for decor. I thought they were really pretty. And then I came across these ones, which I thought were really nice as well. You can hang them from the back. It has the hanging hardware. And then it has like a little ledge on them, which I thought was really cute. So the first one I picked up says, Home is where I'm with you. And then the other three didn't have any writing on it. They're just like different types of houses, which I thought was really cute. This one is in a gray, a white wash, and it just looks like the faux wood. And then the third one is this one here. So really nice decor pieces. I hadn't seen those before, and I was happy to come across them. And that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. Again, a very small one, but I always like to check in since I haven't been doing any DIYs lately, I thought I was going to get around to doing some for the fall, and that didn't happen. I just really have been just trying to finish up a lot of things that I had on the go. To be honest with you, I don't know if I just kind of got out of it. I hope to get back into it again. And then unfortunately this week, my brother suffered a heart attack. If you watched my show, or my channel before, I had a brother a few years back that also had a heart attack. He ended up passing away. So hopefully everything will go well for my brother. He seems to be doing good. And so just things have been coming up, and unexpectedly this one was not something we ever thought would happen, even though we've been through it before. But so yeah, that's just taken me a little bit away from the channel. But again, I really hope to get back to DIYing because I enjoy it so much. And I do have a lot of things that I purchased and had planned to do DIYs with. Luckily, a lot of those things that I have, I still am seeing at Dollar Tree, so you still will be able to find the things that hopefully I will be DIYing very soon. But again, just a little update, and I hope you're all doing well. I hope you enjoyed this little Dollar Tree haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, well, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.